Today I am doing my first ever giveaway. This giveaway is worth 30,000 rupees. Hi, welcome back to my channel. आज मैं कोई ज्ञान नहीं बांटने वाली बिकॉज यूजुअली जब भी मैं सिट डाउन वीडियोस बनाती हूँ मैं काफी ज्ञान की बातें करती हूँ, बट टुडे आई एम डूइंग माई फर्स्ट एवर गिव अवे because I hit 50k subscribers on YouTube. There are 50,000 people. Like उसमें से 2-3 email ID मेरी है, but that is not the point. Like मैं पहले सब YouTubers को giveaways करते हुए देखती थी and I cannot believe मैं giveaway कर रही हूँ. This is anyways enough about me. This giveaway is worth, मैंने calculate करा because I said 30,000 rupees. It's a good start. It's a good start. Like ये भी is only possible because of you guys. To bigger giveaways in the future. Cheers. Now this is all the stuff that I have taken out and saved up and I'm so excited because मुझे गिफ्ट देना वैसे ही पसंद है. एंड पहले मैं सोच रही थी दैट मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा डिफॉल्ट था दैट गिव अवे का एक विनर होगा, बट देन जब मैंने सब कुछ आई पुट एवरीथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, लाइक मम्मा पापा एंड बाकी लोगों को भी लगा कि आई कैन नॉट गिव ऑल ऑफ दिस टू वन ऑफ यू, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो विद 3 giveaway winners for this time. I know ये भी is like a small number compared to 50,000 people, but ये एक giveaway नहीं है. There will be more in the future, I promise. And please कोई गुस्सा मत होना please. So मैंने सब कुछ 3 packages में divide करा है. Before I tell you कि उसमें क्या है, let me share the rules of this giveaway. Number 1, you should be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Like literally मेरे को सारे analytics दिखते हैं and there are like more than like 40-50% of you who watch my videos but don't subscribe. Kyun? Why would you do this to me? And don't do it just for the gifts, but do it because you want to and because I'm going to be putting out some amazing videos in the future. Then number 2, you should follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @moretomihika because stories pe it's easier to share updates and yeah, I make videos there too. Rule number 3, you get brownie points if you are a part of my broadcast channel on Instagram because it's a group of people who actually are connected with me and the ones who still there don't get annoyed by meri notifications throughout the day. And agar by any chance you think you cannot handle that, then I would strongly suggest you to please not be in my broadcast channel. 4th rule, and this is my favorite rule जिसके लिए मैं सबसे ज़्यादा excited हूँ. You have to comment under this video. Number 1, how did you get to know about my channel? Then secondly, who do you want to be? Like what do you want to achieve in the future? What kind of a person do you want to be? ये सारी चीज़ें you can accumulate and just so I can know you a little better. And I would really appreciate if you write it in the tone of I am or like I am going to be a successful doctor. I feel like you should really let it out and own it instead of having the tonality of I want to be this, I want to be a doctor. I'm just taking this as an example. I am so excited to go through the comments. Now on to the juicy part, the gifts. So I'm showing you the first package that will go to the first winner of the giveaway. Do you recognize this? These Sony headphones, the ones I bought and used. Obviously ये वाला मेरा ही रहेगा. So many of you loved it, so I had to. So we can be headphone twins. The cute mic I use. I had another one. So a Simply Nam lip gloss, a reusable makeup remover towel, a mascara from Mars. For all the boys applying to this giveaway, अगर थोड़ा सा inappropriate लग रहा है, you can gift it to your girlfriend, sisters and mama's. Aqualogica sunscreen, a moisturizer, a glitter eyeshadow. This is an oil-free moisturizer from Dr. Sheth's, a skincare lip balm. This is the foundation from the Derma company. If you win this, don't worry, I'll ask your shade and I'll send you your shade. A hair mask from Be Blunt. This one is so good. A heat protection mist. That's it for package 1. On to the second one. So literally the products you like in my videos, I've tried keeping them. A to-do list notepad, a perfume, a lipstick from Mars, a lip liner. This is a fisheye lens from Skywick. Let me talk to you about this brand. Moisturizer from Aqualogica, a Dr. Sheth's sunscreen, then a heat hair spa mask from Be Blunt, one hair serum, a cleanser. I use this every single day. Then a hairspray, this mask from Be Blunt again. Okay, let me talk about Skywick for a second and how immensely kind the brand is. They not only sent me stuff, but they also sent stuff for you guys. So in the second package, there was this fisheye lens, right? So Skywick is this premium vlogging essentials brand. Everything about it is so high quality. This is the fisheye lens. Put it over the camera. Fisheye. So cool, man. They also sent me this 2-in-1 wallet cum mobile stand. Then one more thing for me. This laptop sleeve. It is also a laptop stand. Amazing. Now I won't edit this video like this. I'll mention their link in the description so you can go and check them out. Okay, on to your third package for the third giveaway winner. This smart tripod. It comes with a phone holder, a GoPro holder, a remote shutter, and also a bag. Again, this is from Skywick. One perfume, a lipstick, a lip liner, a face serum from Minimalist, a whole year planner, all the months. They also have cues, a sunscreen, the hair mask again, a hairspray for styling, heat hair spa mask, favorite cleanser, and Aqualogica's moisturizer. That was it for all 3 packages for 3 giveaway winners. And also please remember that there will be more giveaways in the future. I promise, pakka promise. And don't worry, ingenuity is not hard to spot, so I'll know. I will announce the giveaway winners in my next YouTube video on Sunday. So yeah, be active, watch my video, and be active to check the replies if I reply to your comments. So that was it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and I will see you next time.